welcome back. My name is Darlingranita and I talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. And if this is your first time, welcome. And if not, welcome back. Now, if you do love lifestyle and travel and fashion videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will never miss a video. Well, today's video is spending the day with me. Yes, I got a full day on today. Going to church. This is part 3 of doubt. I was telling you about that on last video. We were in part 2, and then today's going to be part 3. And then it's also my Delta bowling night. I was telling you about that on the last video, that I was getting ready with my sorors to get us ready for our Divine 9 bowling event on today. So I want to make sure you come and stay with me for the full day because we're going to have some fun. So right now I am getting ready for church. Oh, let me turn this down. I've already got my outfit of what I'm going to wear. I've already done the pre-work of what I need to do. Church does start at 10:30. So right now, hey Google, what time is it? 9:48 a.m. It's 9:48 a.m. So I do have a little more time to get myself together. This is my outfit for today. Something very, very simple. Now, I have my pants on already, but this is the coat. You've seen me with this coat before. This is with INC. I got this out of Macy's. And then this silk top, this is from Fashion Nova. I think this is going to be simple. I am wearing black pants, and the shoes that I'm thinking about wearing will be these. Now, I was thinking about these, but they don't really go with this. It's just too much patterns going on. That's not going to work. So I think I'm going to choose these bad boys right here. So let me go ahead and get ready. I'm not sure. I feel like Versace for some reason. I don't know what I want to wear. This is a shame. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a Valentino. I'm going to wear this today. It's going to be the cologne for the day, even when I go out with my sorority. I'm going to leave this out. This is the cologne of the day. So this is my outfit for today. So let's just go over everything real quick. So this is the top that I mentioned to you, that this is from Fashion Nova. It is a silk top. I also have a red in this color and a white. The pants are Kevin Klein. Now I only have the back sticking out and the front up here put into the pants. Now my shoes are Jessica Simpson. Now I'm hoping that these are comfortable, will look manageable for outside because the weather did drop. And my jewelry, no bracelets, just simple jewelry that I do have on. Hoops, of course, and this necklace. If I tell you what this necklace is, you guys are going to be like, Anita, you are cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Can you see it? I'm not going to tell you. But yeah, I got this. My bag is a Ted Baker bag. It goes good, I think, with this I have on. And my jacket that I will be wearing would be an INC jacket. I got this jacket from Macy's like 2 or 3 years ago. Still looks good. And so let's get ready for church. I'll see you soon.
But no weapon formed against me is gonna prosper. Meaning it ain't gonna succeed, it ain't gonna prevail, it ain't gonna overcome me.
Church was amazing. Ooh, meditate on the word. Whatever is in your heart, woo, that is what is going to show up. Woo, honey, doubt.
Yeah, baby girl. That's a baby girl. Hey, mama baby.
Google, what time is it?
It's 3:01 p.m.
Okay, 3:01. I want to leave out at 4 because it's in Cordova. It may take me 30 minutes because I'm not going to get on the express train. So I'm going to take a BC. My head is hurting, back body is aching. Love it. Show you what I put together for the event today. So we really don't have a particular style, just to wear our Greek letters to be as chic as possible. So one of my sweatshirts, and then I have the scarf that with Delta, and then I just have a turtleneck and some black pants, and then I have my Delta socks. And I'm thinking about wearing my Delta shoes. So that's what I'm going to wear. I'm going to go ahead and touch up a little. So if I still have my makeup on, I'm just going to do a touch up. Now, the only thing that I'm just not sure about is the bag to carry. I just really want crossbody. I don't have a Delta crossbody bag. I have this, but this just do not go. So I can wear this. My jug. And my Stanley cup, so I'll put some ice in it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Don't tip over, don't tip over. This is my Delta Stanley cup. It comes with a Delta straw. Long. Gotta help and do what I can do. I'm just going to touch up some, not that much. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty powder just to touch up some. You know what? Let me put my clothes on first. I got on white. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So what I was doing. All right, my powder. Like I said, I'm not gonna do that much because I already have some makeup on. I'm just doing a touch up. When you get in the house and you get comfortable, you do not want to get back out. Powder, not gonna put that much on. Go back in with my bronzer, Anastasia again. Just do a little touch up. Eyebrows are looking okay. Back in. Let me put, okay, my Mulan spray. Go to my Tasha. Do I need to touch my edges? Oh, God. Okay, so I've made it. I've never been to this bowling alley before, but we're going to see what it is all about. It is 4:39. I was supposed to be here at 4 o'clock. I'm not that late, but I see.
Photo booth set up in a minute, man. Make sure you get the pictures taken. About 5 minutes. Memphis alumni chapter. Delta Sigma Theta in the building. They looking good for the D9 bowling event. I'm DJ Tim Backers. Let's have some fun, y'all.